1937, huge movie. It wins awards. Everyone's paying attention. Janet Gaynor is a very important actress. So it's a big deal. 1954 comes around. There's a movie we can remake. And remember that in the era when they were remaking these films, there were no DVDs. There was no streaming. The film was done after it played in a theater for 2 weeks or 10 weeks, however successful it was. You would never see that film again. 1954, there's no TV reruns of that film. That's it. If your mother saw it in 37, that's it. Nobody has seen it since then. So remaking a movie made some sense. So we're going to come into this with a guy named Moss Hart, who's a very famous Broadway playwright. He worked with George S. Kaufman, but he also worked on his own. And he is invited to come and redo this for Judy Garland as the star. And it's going to be a comeback film. She's had trouble, oh no, with drugs and alcohol, and it's affected her career. So she needs a big vehicle. And this is recognized as a showpiece for a female performer. But she's Judy Garland. So we got to change something, all right?